Hello there. Today I've decided to do a bit of chain pulling again, as I really do enjoy doing it, and practice makes perfect. One day I think I'll probably make something with a chain pull that I'll just be blown away by. And I've got a small square canvas down here, 8" by 8", and I'm going to put my base colours on as white and greens and just smear them over the canvas, not too thick of course, just to give that base paint. I've covered the base with my paint. Before I go any further, I just want to tell you that my leaf green has silicone in it. So there are a few little cells showing already. Not a lot of silicone, but enough to just make it interesting. I'm using two colours for my chain pull today. I have got dark blue with some white ice crystal glamour dust added, so they are both deco art paints, and I have got the ice crystal, and both those paints have been mixed with a little PVA glue and water. I have put them down onto a piece of my plastic, and I have put some 3mm ball chain into it already to get started. I also have some 2mm chain to use for the centre pieces. I haven't got much of this ball chain. It's actually quite expensive here in New Zealand. So I have cut it into lengths I want to use, but I've got tubs of water here to wash the chain in for constant reuse. So I'm going to start now and see what sort of a flower I can make with my colours. Right, that is the finish of another attempt at a chain pull flower. I'm going to be trying it again and again until I feel more confident with it. If I could take out that petal there, I think I would probably be a lot happier with it, but I'm not going to try. I could probably blot it with the green, which was my original intention. Instead, I decided to texturize the paint around the sides just to give it a little bit more of a green, natural green background. And of course, adding silicone probably wasn't the best idea either, as it looks very much as though the poor buggies have got in and chewed my flower. Okay, I'm going to bring the picture up and show you now under the light. The silicone was a lot more obvious than I expected it to be, but overall I'm very pleased with the way it's come out, as I have got lots of practice to do to get what I call a decent looking flower from this type of picture. The colours are pretty, but the glamour dust glitter didn't come out as I had hoped. I'm pleased I textured the edges. So that's my picture, and I will just keep on trying with these chain pulls, because I do enjoy doing it and it's nice to see what you can get from them.